This tutorial will guide you through the process of deleting files from Google Drive on your iPhone. If you find your Google Drive storage filling up and need to remove unnecessary files, this step-by-step guide will make it easy for you to manage your storage efficiently. So let's begin. Open the Google Drive. Since your phone device is an iPhone, if you don't have it yet, download it on the App Store. Now open the Google Drive. Make sure that your account in Google Drive is logged in. As you can see, mine is already logged in. While we are in Google Drive, choose a file you want to delete and tap the three dots beside it. For example, I will choose this file. So let me click the three dots beside the file I want to delete. The menu appears. Just tap on the remove button at the bottom of the screen, and as you can see in the video, I will delete the files. The warning appears where it will directly go to trash. Just tap the move to trash button so that we can proceed. Now that the file you deleted has been moved to the trash, let's tap the three horizontal lines which are located at the top left of the screen. The menu appears. Just tap the trash tab so that we can proceed. While we are in the trash tab, tap the three dots of the file you want to delete permanently. For example, I will choose this file I just deleted a few seconds or a minute ago. So I tap the three dots. The menu appears. Just tap the delete forever button to delete the file permanently. Remember, make sure that your decision is final because this will be deleted permanently and you won't be able to retrieve it. And there, you've successfully learned how to delete files from Google Drive on your iPhone. By following the steps, you can easily manage your storage and keep your drive organized. And if you have further questions or need assistance, feel free to leave a comment or reach out for help.